Do you want to learn how to blur a face on Google Maps Street View? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So first, head over to Google Maps and find a location where there is a person standing and their face is not blurred. So for example, on Google Maps, I have this location, and on the bottom right, I'm going to find this person type icon. I'm going to click it, drag it, and drop it on this location. Now, most of the people that you find on Google Maps will have their faces blurred, but maybe the person you're looking at on your Google Maps, their face is not blurred. So once you find it, on the bottom right, you're going to find report a problem. Click on this, and it's going to take you over to this page where you need to position this red square onto the person's face. And under it, there will be two options. There will be request blurring and report image quality. But for this video, I'm going to click on this, a face. What would you like us to blur? A face. You can type in additional information. Maybe it's your own face, or you just want to blur that face. You do not like it or something. So you need to put that information inside it. Make sure to type in your email address because they're going to send you the information regarding this blur report that you have done. Once that is done, click on reCAPTCHA verification. This I am not a robot. Click on this and then submit. And that's it. Once done, that face will be blurred on Google Maps. If this video helps solve your problem, let me know with a like and comment.